Beth, look. Beth.
Yep. On your back. So all you have to do is come out and lay on your back behind the dolphin. Please take the fins off. They only push feet. Any questions? You come behind the dolphins up here. I'm going to Give her a little tap tap. There you go. Give him a kiss.
I can't do any more. I got to save it for my customer.
Who's harder to train, the cat or the dolphin?
People.
You guys.
There is no other way. You're going to be traveling counterclockwise. That's from that dolphin over here. All that on that other side is the dolphin only area. Look at the cat. Yeah. Oh wow! Look at the cat. Okay. We're gonna do. We don't have any pictures yet.
Look at him. Look at
You're so awesome, Thunder. Whoever.
I think Arthur wants a kiss.
Is it kiss time? Okay. Give him a kiss. You want one? Oh, God. Oh, that's beautiful, Thunder. He's a good boy. More kisses. Okay. Stop kissing, Arthur.